INKID. Welcome to our village. Nyaboanse Hispania. Yeah. Nyaboanse Hispania. Nyaboanse Hispania. Nyaboanse Hispania. Nyaboanse Hispania. Nyaboanse Hispania. Nyaboanse Hispania. Welcome to our village. New shoes, 0 mileage. Big boys in the village. INKID. Welcome to our village. Nyaboanse Hispania. Yeah.
Hey guys, what a beautiful day. It's a very beautiful morning over here, guys. A very nice moment this day today. I've missed you guys. It's a long time. Your son, your brother CJ was here. How is the week going? How is the month ending? This day today is a very beautiful day, guys. I'm looking at chicken today, and I want to do some feeding of them before heading somewhere special. Please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. This day today, it's another great day, guys. A very, very great day. Subscribe if you're new, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. I'll be very much grateful for this. And look at them. The moment they hear, hey, do you want to say hi? Say hi. These are great chicken. So I brought yesterday kids. Hey bro, introduce yourself. Say hi, man.
Yes, hi, man.
How are you?
I'm good. Yeah?
You good?
Yeah, it is early morning. I'm Julie here.
Yeah, guys.
And, we are heading somewhere.
Yeah.
So we're just doing some preparation,
And then we leave.
Yeah.
Guys, this is my personal fundi. So today we'll be seeing what we'll be doing today. And today is a very great surprise.
Yeah.
Man, it's emotional, man. I'm like, I can't believe that we are doing this. Sometimes people will be like, they're small steps, but great steps. So let me cut before without wasting our time. Help me shoot this, bro. Yeah. So there's some kids here. And there's a guy who wants to go to school. Claude. He's heading to school. And it's just a small bunch because we have to mix veggies. And maybe some supplements of the chicken, the mashed growers, something like that. So that this one I'll just cut it and give them like small quantity. Because if you give them in large quantity, the greens will not provide the sufficient to malnourish them. So I'd rather cut small. My knife is very done. So I cut this. Just pull it over. Also, they have started laying eggs. So if you don't do what you call don't feed them greens, the eggs will be very weak also. Yeah, like that, guys. So from here we'll be heading to the border town. Want to go do some very good purchase, maybe big purchase. Some people call it big purchase. Yeah, guys, it's a very nice moment, man. So let me first feed this around. Yeah. So just want to make one hand. This one. Hey. Let's go. Hey, home. Tamam abad. Look at my mother. He's putting up a suit. Aye. Yeah. Tara lagi kan cara mai perintah barang semua itu. Oh, ni kau ni kiki habis kisah lekir hui.
Jangan mana ada yang disebutari.
Hui.
Ya benar kali nunggu banyak kok.
Ini kita cikan mana ke? Kalau mang. Just feeding them like that. We mix again. I used to give them premature sardines, but for now there's no premature sardines around. So, have to mix everything. And you feed them in small, eh? You want to go ini. You also have to take this. Called the sufuria or saucepans. Sufuria. Because if you don't give them clean water, you get sick. Alright. Yeah, so guys, we have clean water here. We have to serve them. Don't be surprised why we're not using drippers. We're using this. That's why we like with this. Put it somewhere here. There's eggs. Yeah, here they won't make it down, right?
Yeah.
This there. Alright guys, so let's proceed back to where we are going. So guys, we wanna leave to go with the hammer. Alright guys, let's proceed somewhere. Then we'll see how it's going. Things are moving and all will be well. Just head to Bordertown first before heading there. So we packed tea and we have packed tea and the body for on. What a vep. That guy washes. Okay. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Ready?
I'm ready to go.
Okay. Let's proceed guys for the food. Then we'll see how things are moving. And now no one is around. Oh. And there's our beautiful home. Beautiful great home. We're now leaving home. Yeah. So guys, I'm moving. Yeah. I met here one guy called Hello Baby. Yeah man.
I'm good.
Yes. How is everything?
Everything is good.
Yes.
Yeah, we're outside.
We are outside, right? Early morning. With the baby machine, man. Hey.
We're enjoying.
For sure, we are outside, guys. We are here and we are moving from our home very early. So we are heading, also like now I'm heading to my side on our dreamland. But before that, we're going to town, do some little small purchase. Then we see how it's going on. So introduce yourself, Mura.
Guys, this is a little official. On the move.
Uh-huh.
Going to Bordertown. And I'll give you a company up to your land.
Yeah. No movie rombo heli bin.
Hi.
Isi bajaji bana.
These are not Bajaj.
Okay, songa mbele yake monta hata taka tumu. Oh. Yeah guys, so this is what you see all along. Hey. And we are moving. We are moving pole. Yeah. Hatera katam. You got to hatera katam. Hey, the guy from Chicago. Hey, okay.
The richest city.
Hey,
Toronto State.
Kokinatonaya. Hey guys, that's what you see all about. I'm very happy that sometimes when we meet like that, we
converse, like it revives the feeling back those days, man, when you were weak. Eh? When CJ was CJ, when Hello Baby was Hello Baby. Yeah, things are moving all around, man. I'm seeing people getting jealous and envy. Yeah. Because we are prospering. Now they are telling that we are the LGBTQ. Hey, I was so surprised, man. Like a guy, like I know him very well. He once took his son to Maro's place so that the son can get help. So then Maro and the family told him that he has to also work hard so that we can do what we call like also reach our point where we are, but they'll help him. So so after that, when they said so, because he thought that everything comes on a separated plate, on a platter, very easy. So when he was told to go work hard a little bit, he felt bad. So he now decided to look some little miscellaneous mistakes, which even are not done on our village. Those things are done far away from the village, but because now they say that nudity is in our village, so he was the first person, front line, to go and talk to the DCC. Yeah, write some names, man, even names that we don't know. Why don't you mention his son? His son was there, man, you know. But the funny thing is, we have known him. Jealousy and envy will one day kill you. Alright guys, we are on the road. Hey. At where people making money from, where they buy and build. You see, it's not even a question to ask. You know, very crazy, guys. So guys, we have to buy nails. Sometimes we have different. Okay, so this is it. Wow, jangan jadi hati semua dia gende murah moki giri toh he. Ika Rama mo giri. So there is a difference between these ones and this one. These one are specifically for mabati, like iron sheets, and this one are just for normal work. But this one specifically for roofing, you know. And this one and this one, the prices are different, you know. This one goes for let me say $2 for a kg, you know. That's 250 for a kg, and these ones for a kg goes. This one for a kg goes for 200. Yung kilo tatumur. Kilo tatu na nusu. Kilo tatu na nusu. Dego to here. All right, guys. This is 3 kg, 3.5. So no ka ngai jones. So kyo temo bono ke no como sa. So kyo como sa ra ita tosha. Julie. Ita tosha. 3.5. And then we also want to do what we call like buy mabati from here. Because I got him she got what we call like a fair price of mabati. So what's going on around? Also cement. Yeah, but for now let's see. Bona ina dondoka bana. Unajua hii. So we wanna see pole. Then I think the rest will be very much okay. This is where BT came for simple driving over here. It's called Counyryside driving. I'm advertising them for free. Don't get it. Lita 10, sijui lita ngapi. Aituwekee chini. Yeah, just like that, guys. Pole. All right. Yeah. Also, you see, guys, we have this kind of weighing balance. How do you call this? Huh? They say capacity of 15 kg. Right here, the way you see. It's called Jupiter scale. So we are here measuring, weighing. I think this is weighing. It's a weighing balance. You know. Did you learn about weighing balance?
Yeah, I did.
Really?
Primary, high school. Yeah, so I'm just applying it in real life.
Okay. This is a real application of the real life situation, you know, in the weighing balances. So these are the weights. These are the weights, and this is the load. You know, the pivot is here. Here's the pivot. You know, I'm trying to teach you something new, guys. Weight, load, pivot, like that. So in Africa, more so in my country Kenya, where I come from, we use this to weigh. It can be both meat or beef, mutton or chicken. It depends. It depends with what's being weighed. And also we have the other one that you step on. I don't know how we call it. Still the weighing balance. We have the one that you can swing from up. It's still a weighing balance. Huh? This one is the best. I think it's Kouko, but that's Angez. So these are different species of nails, man. Hey, construction is not easy. So this is 2 inch. Yeah, 2 inch. Just pull guys, and we'll see what's going on. Okay. So guys, we are buying some iron sheets, or the zinc sheets. They are called zinc. Is it corrugated? Corrugated zinc. At least we see what. Hii atabadilisha. Ni mbili ulikuwa unazitoa yake kando. So we have this corrugated zinc so that we can see what's going on around. And then we see what they are doing. Umanyu onte mereke bawo. Ngora mura. Satiri baten kuingire muri kinyama. Kinyama ni kuingire. Ata muingire bate. Abenka kana nagotebiru ndigiri nini amabate kareke akobera kiro. We have a bank here and we see what's going on around. Bara mase sumali ganu ninkora kotandera. Takatama ngambene ukuye nyuma. Unganisha mose. So guys, counting the iron sheets. Then we see what's going on. So today is like we wanna roof our house. 1, 2. And I hope one gloves, bro.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10,
11,
12, 13,
14, 15, 16, 17,
18, 19. Hey, count again, bro.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9, 10. 10. Aye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, okay. Oh, it's 19. All right. It's 19. So this is what you see, guys. Cutting the iron sheets like that. The balance, so they'll be in a tuk-tuk like that. Ooh. And we'll be good to go. You know? Yeah man. Finally buying iron sheets for this. Yeah. Iko sawa. Like that. Ay mikimi sumari otore ko kimi bon. Katuta beba misumari. So guys, that's what you see. And then yeah. So that's it, guys. Let's proceed. Yeah. So guys, we are going. Our materials are ready. Let's go. Nataka nimuoneshe njia ya kupitia. Sitaki tupite Nyabo. Ama tungepita hiyo Nyamwini eh? Oya, nifuate. Like actually nowadays building has become a very beautiful thing. Very nice. So this is our town. Yeah. Alright. Guys, Spania. Look at that view. Very nice view of Spania. The trees. Nice. Yeah. Nice. I'm so surprised with my food here. I'm asking him, can he be a good guy at the convo? Maybe a presidential convo. I'm just asking him, can he be a good guy at the convo?
Of course.
Yeah, you don't know how to balance the handling.
I'm very experienced.
Really?
Yeah.
You can be even at the presidential motorcade.
Of course.
You?
Okay.
Really beautiful. You're very beautiful. On the phone. But let's believe, you know, everybody has his or her own time of doing his stuffs. Look at how they were planting maize, man. Near. Like we lazy. Our materials are behind. And with us it's early morning. This is what you see, what we are doing. The village. Yo man, very nice area. We are cruising. As you see, look at that view. The view is amazing and spectacular. Fabulous. Our materials are near. Yeah, we go with it. Yo man. Twende Judy. Twende tumeachilia tukutuku iko free. Ameachilia tukutuku Judy tutagonga. Eh. Hakuna break tukutuku si kama nini. Haya. Sio kama pikipiki. You know me, I'm afraid of tuk-tuks. It's like the tuk-tuks in Mombasa. If you find somebody who doesn't know how to ride, you flip. Yeah, you flip down and you fall. At least to see what's going on around. Yeah, so we are home. That place we all call home is here. The place we all call home. Hapa. Our home, our small house right here. Yeah. Guys, I'm opening the gate for our materials. Just like that. And then we wait for them to come. The mason is already there doing his stuff. So let him come. Pole. Though he's surprised, like, where I am. This gate is really crazy. I think I need to tie it. Oh, hey, मेरे का नहीं है हानो.
baby Mabati is finally here. Oh hey mere. Maguta mogare. Wanna makenyo tor. Guys, so yeah. That's it. Fundi.
Yeah.
When you Manchester, but hide this thing, man. Hide it. Oh, hide it, bro.
Why?
Man.
The biggest thing.
Msaidie. Mimi ni Arsenal. Hata lala tu hapa tu. Msikie mlango. Hey.
An Arsenal fan, yeah?
Me, I'm an Arsenal fan, man. We are the Gunners. We are the Gunners, man.
Next season,
Yeah.
hope, yeah?
Which hope?
Next season, yeah? Next season.
Man, don't say so, man. We are the Gunners. You know?
Season FC.
We are the Gunners, man. Sasa tulikuja tu zote hivyo. Ama? Sasa tulikuja tu zote zianguke tu hapa. Juli ukuchunge, sitaki Mabati kukate. Pole tu. Hivyo. Nice. Sawa. Finally here. Baby's home. Yeah. Hey. So the guy is leaving. Yeah, man. Hey, it's shaky. It's gone. Yeah. So let's go back to work now. Mood work. Sitting with the mood work. Yeah. Okay, so as you see already the mason is on top. And the other side also we want to cut those feet so that we can level them well. And we see what's going on around. So today they'll be cutting what we call like making some mud. Then tomorrow it will be putting up the mud, you know. Yeah, it's cutting this to make a rev. Iga foronge onokukumbe so on the level akutuna hari kama takitoka ikinta chiraonekana ko matakito
Tiga ni chankomeri nyumba ma.
Uwe mokami waru kweli kabisa jomba somo. So guys, that's how it's coming along nicely and very, very well. It's coming along pole. And also we bought yesterday timbers, and today we bought Mabati. So we tried today to be very nice. Like hopefully today we'll be hammering it over there. And today also Mr. Mokami is here. Yeah, so we want to drink a traditional drink called busara or togwe. All togwe. Togwe. Let's see what's going on. Yeah. Weka tu uonje bana. Mimi busara nilikunywa tumbi imenizungusha, siwezi taka kukunywa busara.
Hobe nota hui.
No mabagang. Guys, as you see now, our big man Mokami is levelizing the house, and that's how now the mud is being made. So he's trying to dig mud, and then he'll add with water, and when he adds water it becomes mud. Then all it will be put now around, as you see, you know. And I'm preferring a window to be there, a very big window, literally, because now this place can be a place where one can be staying. Also even me, sometimes I don't change my mind and come here because this is my place. I can change a place and then I come, and then slowly I can sleep with cement with my goats here, and I work on things goes on, you know. Mukami jembe man. Yeah man. So today, as you see, he's finalizing. Look at the sky. It's coming on well. Pole. Yes, it's coming along nicely. And now he's doing what we call like backfilling. You know what backfilling is?
You know, sometimes people feel like backfilling is only for houses, maybe the foundation, and then you backfill there. But also these mud houses also have what you call like backfilling. You see, like here, he's just trying to add some poles inside. Like the original poles were these, but you see there's an addition here to kill the gaps. An addition here also, an addition there. And also the guy is really doing a good job already. He has started doing a place where he's making mud, and then from tomorrow we'll be doing this. Yeah, man, Mr. Mokami himself. Yeah, this is what you see. So I feel like to have a window here, a very nice window from there to this end, but you can have a better view while you are sleeping. Maybe there have a better view downwards to the mighty grain forest around. Yeah, and also we have here some keels. I'm planning to put down here to maybe a septic, and the toilet will be there somewhere there. So slowly guys, without hurry, no hurry, just pole pole, you know. I usually love to listen to this song. That song that goes by Kila Mtu Anawatiwa. How do I sing? There's a song that usually describes that everybody has his own time of getting blessings, you know. So that lady sang that God has a purpose and the reason why he's blessing everyone at his own pace, you know. You see everything what's going on around, and the guys are still quenching pole pole. The 5 liter. This is made from barley. Is it barley? Uburi kya boko pere finger millet. Finger millet. Uburi. Yeah, finger millet. Yeah, made from finger millet. And also they have mandazi here.
Oh, yeah.
And the guy is very tired.
Okay, after eating something, you need to rest at least.
A little.
2 minutes.
You're resting. You're lazing around.
No.
Yeah, since morning you're only straightening the knee.
Just take some 2 minutes for you to at least.
But actually the house is coming along well. It's not like before, guys. But you see now he has topped. Yeah, there's some changes. You see he has topped up the other end, aligning this other side. A very nice, great store. You know. But I can also stay in pole. Maybe, who knows? You know, who knows? Maybe tomorrow when it's complete, you see me shifting over here, because no pressure, no everything, no electricity, nothing, just nature. At least I feel like I call myself home. I'm like, oh, go to Claude's place, you come here, not to my dad's place, you know. Anyway, guys, so let's see where these things will go on. Today was really cutting. Even my hands are having some blisters. We were cutting these stuffs so we can level here, also this other end. So you enter in this store over here. Maybe if you have your bed, put it in here, and then you relax. And then over there you have a better good window. You have a very nice view from downwards. All right, guys. And I love the fact that the house is very tall, like it's not short. Yeah, it's very long, that you can even put materials up. It should be well. So they are carrying up again. They're carrying up now. These are the trusses that are going up. Pole, guys. Pole, Enrico. Hey. Mimi sina pesa ya bili ya hospitali. He? Ati ilikuwa. Ujue misumari iko weak, Enrico. So they are putting up the trusses. And then we see what's going on around. Or Ohenebo Mungu.
Yeah.
Guys, so despite that being in the evening time, at least they have finished up. So I decided to keep my iron sheets at my neighbor's place over there. And this is what you see. So Mr. Mokami,
Hello.
you are there? So you are the job well done. So guys, Mr. Mokami, this is what you see. His name is Alois Mokami. Yeah, my name, see, I'm also Mokami. More coming. That means more money coming. So he was digging this and also in here. So which means tomorrow, early in the morning, the job will be done by putting up the mud starting on this other end. And Mr. Julie also the mason. And the sunset is also the roofer.
I don't know that in
So
English.
yeah, we have our village M-Pesa over here.
Yeah.
You don't want to road. You don't want to. So we have our village M-Pesa, guys. Want to go there, withdraw some money for today for them, and then we see what's going on, man. Like, I really love this place very much. Unaweza sukumiana Judy ama hata tuiacha tunarudi. Yeah, so we see what's going on around. Have our hammer, and things are moving on okay. Look at that house. Unajua sasa utamu hiyo nyumba ni kuisimamia hapo uone venye. Amesimama ameshtuka.
Watu wale hiyo nyumba venye itatokea.
Alisema hivyo. Look at that house, guys. Hey. Yeah. Kadogo kazuri. Auko hapa. Guys, look at that small house, man. Coming along well. Simbao zinakuja. So look at that house, guys. Hey.
By the very unique.
Yeah?
By the way.
You have no idea. And then maybe you wait, it's coming slowly, pole, and then it will be, yeah. Guys, our small mud house. Store. A very unique store. Very mud, unique store. So we are heading where you hear some posho mill. There's a posho mill here. It's the only posho mill here in this village. So which means our village is growing very slowly, pole, and we see how things are coming along. Well, and very much okay. You know? Yeah, let's go there and see what's going on. So guys, we are moving still, even it's late night, but the village is very green and nice. And also there's what we call like jaggery making, molasses. They're being made here. You see, we have sugar cane, and people are making molasses from this area, or jaggery. Jaggery, say jaggery. Those are the cool sounds of the village during the evening time. You know, during the evening time. Can't wait to stay around here now and start working from this place. You know. Well, what do you think, Julie? You'll miss me when I'll just travel and when I just stay over here. Yeah, because
I will be coming to visit you.
Yeah, once.
Yeah, once.
I said, don't want visitors. Come with appointment. Yeah. You write.
So I'm free to come.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So it is not very far.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's just becoming.
Yeah, for sure. As you see, there's some sugar cane here, and in between there, they are cutting down, and making some juices for this.
They are
Yeah.
just making them here.
Here.
Oh.
Yeah. Maybe from tomorrow they'll be cooking. For now, they're making juice. And then, yeah.
What are they using in making this
Juices. It's a machine.
A machine.
Yeah.
So it uses fire.
It's a crusher. It's called machine sugarcane crusher. So it crushes. They prepare. They make juice. Then the juice is being put on those big saucepan.
Oh.
And then they use the same firewood, which are the what we call like those sugarcane nini. How do you call them? Peels. The sugarcane peels. Then down they boil it.
So that machine is being generated by the generator.
The machine, it's a diesel engine. Like
it's a diesel.
it looks similar to the posho mill. It looks similar to the posho mill.
Okay, now I get it.
Yeah. So it mingle the juice, then the offcast, and then on this other side.
I've never said.
Yeah. All right, guys. There's a lot of noise from the posho mill. Let me end.
INKID. Welcome to our village. Nyaboanse, Hispania. Yeah. Nyaboanse, Hispania. Nyaboanse, Hispania. Nyaboanse, Hispania. Nyaboanse, Hispania. Nyaboanse, Hispania. Nyaboanse, Hispania. Welcome to our village. New shoes.